I can only apologise, I really can. Isn't that mad? Roll over. I feel a little bit like an earthworm. It felt like we were doing a media GCSE project. You are not ready for this. Oh dear, I've got a little problem. Good morning everyone, happy Sunday if you're watching this on Sunday. Today is actually Friday for me and I thought I would vlog today because I'm actually doing something really fun today. This afternoon I'm actually filming my first TikTok job, which is mad to me. But it's for an app called VTag. This video is not sponsored, just the TikTok and an Instagram story are. But it's basically a VR app. And it's a bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm very excited to do it because I'm doing a Gavin and Stacey themed TikTok. I've made a little VR, is it called a VR? Yeah, a virtual reality James Corden, and I'm gonna do the American Boy rap that he does with his sister Rudy in Gavin and Stacey.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody better say UK.
If you've watched Gavin and Stacey, you'll know what I mean, but if you haven't, all of this will be a load of nonsense and you'll probably prefer the rest of the vlog. But I thought I would vlog today because I'm gonna go and film that. My best friend Leanne is gonna help me, and yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy it. I like doing brand deals that are a bit out of my comfort zone. Anyway, it's currently 10:30. I have had my breakfast, I got up, dressed, made my bed, all ready for the day, and now I'm just looking after little one. She's down here chewing a toy that is not made for chewing. Fab. So it's a little while later, I've just gotten changed because I'm about to go and film this VR thing for TikTok. I am really excited about it, but I'm a bit nervous as well. The app is quite new, it's not even out yet, so I spent a while trying to figure it all out and stuff. I guess I would kind of compare it to Sims, but then you put the sim in real life and film with the sim. My little James Corden, here he is. Took me about an hour to make him and try and make it as lifelike as possible. But it was so much fun, I really enjoyed doing it. I'm here with Leanne. Here she is. Hello. She just helped me do the Gavin and Stacey TikTok. We got there in the end, didn't we?
Yeah, it took a lot of tries.
It did. I think I might be posting that tomorrow, I'm not too sure, but when you see it, please do give it some love because Leanne helped me with it and it took us a while, let me tell you that much. Thanks for helping me.
It's alright, it looks cool, I'm excited to see it.
I'm excited. It felt like we were doing a media GCSE project again, didn't we? Oh my god, is Tenable not the most annoying program ever? Anyway, I'm now back. I've just got changed because I'm about to film the Gavin section of this TikTok. Look at my hair. I haven't done a tie for 4 years probably. Wow, she's still got it. The weather's taken a bit of a turn, guys. I've got back and it's really hot now. So I've just got Sunny's paddling pool out, and I know that sounds ridiculous, but I bought this on Facebook Marketplace ages ago now, probably a couple of months ago. It was only £10 and we've got 2 halves of this. But we cleaned it all out and everything when we brought it home, and we've got a tiny bit of water in there. I mean, Sunny doesn't like the bath, so I don't think she's gonna like it, but it will cool her down because it is actually really hot now. I wasn't expecting it to be hot today, but this is her first paddling pool experience. Ready, steady, good girl. What's that?
Is that nice and cool?
Oh, she doesn't like it.
I wonder if it's because it's so slippery on the bottom that she doesn't like it. That's probably what it is, isn't it?
Oh, come in. Come on then. Yay, good girl. Oh, yeah, just walk across the flower bed, that's fine. We're now just sitting in the garden having a choc ice, an afternoon snack. Do you know lots of people don't like choc ices?
No, who doesn't like chocolate?
I know, that's what I think, but lots of people say like that when they were younger they'd ask their mum for an ice cream from the ice cream man and she'd say no, we've got choc ices in the freezer. And they were really sad about that. I'm always happy when you say we've got choc ices in the freezer. We're actually getting better at leaving Sunny on her own. Well, we're not getting better. She's getting better at being left on her own. Today was the first time that we left her when she wasn't tired. And it was horrible, wasn't it? But we do feel like it's really important to leave her on her own while she's this young, so that in the future she can be left for an hour or 2 or however long she needs to be left for. But if we start it from when she's young, just doing, obviously we wouldn't leave her for like 2 hours now, but if we just do little trips leaving her on her own, we think she'll get used to it better. We don't leave anything out that she could eat and it could harm her. We just leave her toys that are indestructible. We want her to be adaptable. We want her to be sociable, friendly, be able to be left alone or come out with her. I mean, she's only 10 weeks old at the minute, so I think that's a big ask for now. Sunny, she definitely knows her name now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're all wet from the paddling pool. Here she is. Here's the tree chewer. Look, she's got mud all around her face. I promise I haven't been eating stuff, I promise. I love when she's upside down and her ears flop like that. Oh, bless you. Is that nice and cool on there, Sunny? Is that nice? Sunny? Is that nice? Oh dear. I've got a little problem. So I've just been watching Leanne's graduation, my best friend, because she graduated today. Obviously because of Corona, they had to do the graduation online instead, so it was on Zoom. So I've just watched that. And my laptop has broken. I don't want to say it. Can we see how there's just a panel of brighter screen? I've just Googled it and it's £600 to replace the screen. So that's not ideal. It's actually having quite a good day as well. Happy Friday. Thank God Gogglebox is on tonight. That's all I'm going to say. Cheese delivery. Cheese delivery. Oh, my day just improved. Cheese, pastry, straws. I'm alright now. We're going on a trip in our favourite rocket ship. Zooming through to Asda. It's currently about 8:15 and my exciting trip of the day. I'm going to pop to Asda. My mum and dad are both coming too. Well, obviously we're not going to get out because that would be excessive. But we're going to bring Sunny in the car because she's really good in the car already, but we don't want to stop taking her out in the car and then her get a problem with it, if you know what I mean. We're also going to pop down to the river because it's a really lovely evening. I can't believe how hot it's been today. When I woke up, it was so miserable and cold. Obviously we can't put Sunny on the floor yet. She actually has her injections next Thursday. So think of her on Thursday because little one's having 3 injections, bless her. She'll probably feel a little bit rough after that. But then a week after those injections, we can go out for a walk. And I'm so excited. Then tonight, I'm so excited. I'm going to have a really lovely bath tonight. I'm going to do a lot of skincare. I'm having an absolute disaster. I'm back from Asda. We went to see the swans and everything, all fine. I left my laptop updating. I've come back and it's worse. I actually have almost cried, but it's just a laptop. So it now looks like this all the time. I've made myself an appointment for an Apple repair shop tomorrow. So lucky they had an appointment tomorrow afternoon. So I'm gonna go to that with my dad. In the meantime, this is so lucky, I can't believe this. I was about to sell my old laptop a couple of weeks ago and then it just didn't happen. So I've still got my old laptop that I can use while my new one is being repaired. I rely on my laptop so much. That's the one thing that I need for my job. That and a camera and I'm good to go. I feel so sad for it. It's going in for surgery. Good morning. It's the next day. I didn't end up doing my skincare routine last night because by the time I ended up sorting out my laptop, it was about 11 o'clock. So the bath that I dreamt of was not had. Instead, I had a quick bath. Didn't properly do my skincare. So I'm gonna do it this morning instead. I'm feeling a lot more positive today. I've got my appointment booked for my laptop this afternoon. I got up this morning. I had my breakfast. I went and saw my little puppy dog. She always puts a smile on my face in the morning. And I've also transferred everything I need to my old laptop now. So yeah, time to do my skincare routine finally. I also really like my outfit today. This little top is from Shein. It's not my fave, but I like the colour of it. And then I've got it with these little trousers. Hang on, I'll show you. These trousers are from Zara. I got them a little while ago. I've actually never worn them, but they're super comfy, so I don't know why I hadn't, but the label was still in them. Absolutely love them. I'm loving this brown neutrals vibe. I feel a little bit like an earthworm, but I like an earthworm vibe. So the first thing I'm going to do is go and wash my face because I haven't even done that yet. I feel a little bit gross. So this is the face wash I'm going to use today. It's from Biore. This is their rose quartz and charcoal face mask. Deep cleans pores and de-stresses. That's what I need after yesterday's saga. So I'm going to go and quickly wet my face, put a bit of this on, use my little Foreo device to lather it up and get it into all my pores. I actually think it's hard to beat the feeling of your face after you've used a really fresh facial wash. The next thing I'm going to use is Glossier's Solution. I was going to do a little face mask, but for me, face mask is more of an evening pamper. Next up, a little bit of hydrating serum. This is the Too Faced Good in Bed serum. Put a little bit of moisture back into my skin because I don't want it to be all dried out. Little bit of eye cream. Usually I use bubble wrap. You probably know that if you watch my vlogs. Bubble wrap from Glossier is the one. But recently I've been using this one from Origins. This is the Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. I do like it. I probably don't like it as much as bubble wrap still. This feels so relaxing. And then finally a little bit of moisturiser. Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting moisturiser today. That's what I need, a little energy boost please. And then we have it, skincare done. My face feels pampered. I feel like I've treated myself. I'm going to quickly do my makeup now and then get on with a bit more editing. Sit down, roll over. Good girl. Sit down. Roll over. Good girl, Sunny. You are not ready for this. Something just arrived and oh my god, I've been so excited. Honestly, I'm not even being a dramatic YouTuber when I say that. I am genuinely so happy about this. So this lovely girl messaged me on Instagram. Her Instagram is customsjh, and she messaged me to ask if I'd like some custom trainers, and I was like, yes please. I did contribute towards these because honestly her work is just amazing, so I just wanted to pay her something, but she did give me a massive discount. I want to share these with you because oh my god, they are my dream trainers. In 3, 2, 1, look at those bad boys. I am obsessed with them. Her name is Janie, and you can actually message her on her Instagram page, which like I said is customsjh. Literally just message her and you can tell her what kind of design you want, what colour you want. She's got loads on her page that she's done before. So she sent me a picture of one of them that was like this. I think it was either in pink or purple. And she was like, oh, I'd love to give you one like this. And I said, that is incredible. And I asked if there was any chance you could do it in like a beigey nude colour, and she was like, of course. So this is how they turned out. This is the other side. I just love them. I love the little detail on the lace as well. She's painted those in the same colour. I love the air. Obviously you tell her your size, so these are in a 5.5, so I know they're going to fit me. She is just so talented. Isn't that mad? I can't wait to wear these. I actually thought when I put this outfit on this morning, I was like, oh, those trainers would look lovely with this. If only they'd arrived today. Not even an hour later, they arrived. It's like fate. There's loads of different designs as well. She does a really nice Chanel one where she has the Chanel logo and then she changes the laces out for a Chanel ribbon. They're beautiful. Thank you so much, Janie. Please go and check out her page, guys. They're not even much more expensive than normal Air Forces. It's a really good way of getting some custom trainers. I just thought I would show you quickly Sunny's little bedroom. I'm so sorry that these vlogs are still so puppy related, but she's not going to be a puppy forever, and I feel like a lot of you do actually want to know about stuff I've got for her. A lot of you guys have said in the comments like, we love the dog content, so thank you very much for that, because I am loving filming her and telling you guys about everything. It's been a long time coming this. I spent months buying everything. So yeah, I'm going to show you her little bedroom, which is our like utility room. So when you come in, this is Sunny's room. She's in her crate at the minute. She's a tired girly. So I ordered this online. This is like a baby gate that doesn't have any holes in it. So when we go out, we put that across. We don't shut her in her crate when we go out. And then she's got this whole area and everything in here is completely safe. She can't get under the cupboards or anything like that. There's nothing for her to chew. So then we have a little bed out here for her. We do put a puppy pad down, but to be honest with you, she never ever has used a puppy pad. We kind of just put this here because if we need to sprinkle her food on it, or I don't know, sometimes she just sits on there. I think it's cooler for her than the bed. This towel is just hanging up to dry because she has muddy paws. Then she's got her food and water bowl. She's just had her lunch, so obviously the food bowl's not in there anymore. Her crate is over here. She's got a little crate cover. I'm so glad we got this crate cover. I've also just put a pink blanket over the back of it because it can get quite warm when the sun is coming through there. But with the crate cover and the blanket, it stays so nice and cool in here. There she is. Oh, she's having a little nap. She does usually have a blanket in here as well. That's just currently airing on the washing line because we put that out to air every single day. We do put a puppy pad in there as well. We originally put that in because we do actually shut her in the crate at night, and I know people are going to think that's cruel, but as you can see, she loves the crate, and we are planning on traveling with her. Not a lot, probably not abroad, because I don't know, I feel a bit scared to take her abroad because of rabies and stuff like that. But if I ever take her to a friend's house, or if we do go away with her to an Airbnb, at night time I want her to have her own space. She's not going to be a dog that sleeps on my bed. I think that kind of roots back to the phobia I had. I don't know, I just don't feel comfortable with me being asleep and not knowing what she's doing and not knowing that she's alright. So yeah, she's not going to be sleeping on my bed in my bedroom. She will always be in the kitchen and downstairs. I say that now, unless she goes through a phase where she's really scared, then possibly we would move her crate onto the landing upstairs or something like that, but I don't think so, to be honest. But the reason I wanted to put her in the crate at night with the door shut is because when I move out, if I have an open kitchen lounge or anything like that, I want to know that she's safe at night and she's not chewing wires. She can't get into any danger when she's shut in her crate, and she loves it, so I don't see the problem personally. We can take the crate with us wherever we go, and she's always got her little same cozy area. It will never change for her. So we do put a bowl of water in there at night. We only fill it up a tiny bit though, because one night she did spill it, bless her, and then she cried a little bit because she was just scared, I think. So we only put a little bit of water in there at night. Some people say you shouldn't put any in because then they'll need a wee, but she has never once weed in her crate. She's got her moo cow, that's what we call it. There's moo cow. That's what came with her, with the scent of her litter. So that's her bedroom tour. I do also have a nightlight for her. This was from Poundland or Pound Stretcher, something like that. That just sits on here at night time just for a little white glow so it's not completely pitch black for her. My mum and dad think I'm a bit crazy for having that because she's a dog and she can probably see in the dark, but I feel better knowing that she's got a little bit of light. And then over here, this is the puppy section. So this is the food she's currently on. We are feeding her dry food at the minute. We don't know if that will change. I've heard that Cavapoos can be quite fussy, but at the minute, she really likes this one. She was on Royal Canin, but I know that's really bad for them. So that was what she came with from her breeder, but I knew I wanted to change that as soon as possible. Behind that, this little box has poo bags in it for the garden. I have also got a poo scoop, but happy to announce that I haven't needed to use that. I've actually managed to pick up a poo successfully. Her little water bottle. These are a few different treats that she likes. And then this is her box. I can do a video of everything I bought her if you guys want me to. But in here we've got her brush, her lead, her peanut butter, some things that we were advised to get from the vets. This is her wormer, hair bows, cleaning products, toothpaste. I actually brushed her teeth today, she really likes it. But yeah, if you would like a more in-depth, detailed video of everything that I bought and where I got it from and how much it was, I can do that. I'm happy to do that for you. But yeah, that is Sunny's little bedroom. And here she is, the little princess. She's actually not a spoiled dog. I know it seems like she is, all the things I've bought, but the only reason I've bought all this stuff is because I just want her to be safe. I just want to be a good dog mum. I'm fully aware she is a dog and she's probably fine, and I'm actually one that tells her off the most in this household, believe it or not. But she is very loved. This is today's lunch. Bit of red pepper hummus and a carrot. I'll probably polish off this entire pasta pot, pesto and pine nut. And we've also got a couple of pizzas in the oven for all of us to share. All of us being me, my mum and my dad. Hello. I forgot to take my camera with me, didn't I? Yes, I did. Who's useless? Me. I am. But I've just been over to Chelmsford to drop my laptop off. The guys in there were super helpful. I went to a place called, oh, what's it called? Western Computer, I think I want to say. If you're in the Chelmsford area and you've got a MacBook or an Apple product, if anything goes wrong, or even if you're looking to buy, I would highly recommend them. They don't know I'm a YouTuber or anything like that, but they were just super helpful in there, and they were actually, dare I say it, better than Apple. They are also Apple approved, so my laptop is still under warranty. Woohoo! So it's not going to cost me anything, which is so good. They said it should be done by Friday. Chelmsford was quite busy actually. I was quite surprised. Not many people were wearing masks, which I don't know, I don't really get it, because if masks are going to be mandatory on the 24th anyway, why wait till the 24th? It's not as if coronavirus is just not going to happen till the 24th. You're not going to catch it until the 24th and you'll be wearing your mask then, so it's alright. Do you know what I mean? It's out there now. Each to their own though, each to their own. Anyway, I am now going to sit and edit this vlog that you're watching because it's Saturday afternoon now. We actually have a couple of family friends coming over tonight, which we haven't done for ages, but they're coming over for a socially distanced drink. So I think I'm going to end this little vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm so sorry. I feel like it's been really boring and nothing's happened except from me complaining about my laptop breaking. I can only apologise, I really can. Hopefully my next vlog will be more exciting than this one. No promises, but you know. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're all having a lovely week. I hope you're staying safe and looking after yourselves. Do subscribe to see my future videos. They aren't all as boring as this one. Not to blow my own trumpet or anything. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.